It's Brandon right here. So we're gonna look at the Facebook automation 6.3 premium version. Okay, I'm very sure you got this in your computer, and I'm very sure you already added your account. If you didn't add your account, let me do this real quick. Let me first delete my account, and I'm gonna go real quick and add my account. Okay, so you're gonna click on add account, choose simulator browser, you're gonna press next. You gotta be quick. When you press next, it's gonna come a blank page like this. You're gonna come and log in here. It's gonna transfer some data. So you're gonna come over here and let me log in right here. Here we go. Oh, I think my password is not right. Success. So if in case you're a new, your account is a new account, it's gonna show some things like you're gonna allow this and this. Okay, say yes. You're gonna press OK, proceed in something, and then it's gonna come like this. So this is my girlfriend's account. You shouldn't worry about that. So the first thing you're gonna wake up in the morning do is gonna come right click group tools. We wanna join some groups, searching and all that. So we're gonna come. You did, okay? I can do right click on your name, go to group tools, click on searching and all that. So let's say work from home, and then you have to look for some keywords that are not so much necessarily that ain't common. Okay, like for example work from home is common. Okay, make money online is common, that's a common word, and a lot of people are looking and are posting their ads in such groups. Okay, so you can look for keywords, but this is gonna you're gonna use your brain to always get these keywords. For example, let me get a unique keyword. Okay, so that when you post in that group, it's gonna be your ad only which is there, and not a lot of people posting in that group. Okay, so let me say um let me just say make cash. This is not a common word, it's a unique keyword. So make cash, we're gonna look at the groups which are having the name make cash, and we're gonna auto join those groups. Okay, so you can see it's searching, it's giving the results. Okay, cool cash made, cash to get, and all that. So you're going to highlight this. Okay, so here is the trick on how to highlight. Okay, so I want you to click on this group, the first group, and hold shift, the shift button on your keyboard. So right now I'm holding the shift button on the keyboard. Okay, so now we want to highlight from 1 to 20, and we're going to join them. Okay, and so what happens is when you press shift, look at the arrow buttons. Let me go to Google and search the arrow buttons. Okay, for our case we want to know what the arrow buttons are. Okay, looks like it's a bit slow over here. We just want to know what the arrow buttons are. Okay, okay, keyboard arrow buttons. So here we go. So these are the arrow buttons on the keyboard. I'm very sure you know where this is located on your keyboard, something like this. So let us go back to our main point. Okay, let's go back to our main point. So now cool cache mesh, so we want to highlight 20 groups. So now you're gonna press on one group, press shift, and on these arrow buttons you're gonna press this down button going down. You will see your groups getting highlighted to the number you wanted to stop from, and so you can join those groups, because once you join a lot of groups, Facebook is gonna block you. Okay, once you join them crazily in a crazy mode, Facebook's gonna block you. So now Let's press the share button, and now I'm pressing the arrow button. You can see, press it once in a while and don't stop holding the shift button until you highlight all those you wanna join. So let us go up to when we reach to 20. That is 20, and you can unhold everything, but don't click in these groups, because once you click in them, the highlighting thing is gonna go away. So just move your cursor slowly and click on join groups. Okay, so it's gonna begin delaying, and so when it begins delaying, quickly minimize this, go to settings, okay, and click on recommended settings. Just click there twice and save that. Okay, you shouldn't ask me what that is, but that is to avoid you from getting blocked by Facebook. Okay, so now that one is done. We are now all the joining groups, and that one is done. Okay, and then what next? So what next is we want to post in our groups. We want to find out how many groups we got. Okay, so you're gonna right click on your account. So every day you're gonna come to fetch your list, fetch your group list. So when you fetch your group list, this is gonna show you how many groups you can post into and how many groups you got. That's the traffic you got. For my case, I got over 5,000 groups and I already reached the maximum. Okay, so I don't need to join any more groups. So whenever I post, I get a lot of people following up my businesses and all that. This is working for any business, whether you're doing Easy1up or you're doing anything. Okay, so that's how you know how many groups you got. Okay, so now if you want to post in some groups, what do you do? So let this fetching get done, so I can show you how to post in these groups. Just give it some time. It's gonna go around up to 5,000. It's fetching. Just give it some time. It's gonna run up to 5,000. Okay, a little bit more patient. All right, so here we go. So you ain't gonna post in all these groups you got in one single day. I'm giving you one. This is what I do. In each and every day, I post in 200 groups. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna use the same trick we used last time. We're gonna highlight 200 groups and we're gonna post in them. Okay, so once again, hold the shift button and go to the arrow buttons and click the arrow button going down. So we start highlighting. This time just hold the arrow button so I can move fast until you reach 200 groups. Okay, so now 200 groups, here we go. There's 200 groups. So you're gonna right click. Okay, just right click once, don't left click. If you left click, the highlighted thing is gonna go away and you're gonna repeat a fresh highlighting. So right click and select export. Select IDs to clipboard. That is why you're gonna click, because we want to export them to the clipboard and we want to post into them. And this is for one day. For each day, you're gonna post in 200 groups. Okay. So export, select IDs to clipboard. That's done. All right. It's gonna say exported. Okay. Okay. So you can close this. So you can come back to your name. You can right click. You can say post a message. Okay. So now on post a here we go. We're gonna right click here in the space, or some people on Facebook. So you're gonna come to the second last, that is import IDs. Remember last time you were exporting. So you're gonna import them here. Now this is the clipboard and we want to begin posting in them. So remember you have to select 200 groups, okay? And then we are going to do what they call, oh, it just disappeared. Why is here? So you cannot post in these 200 groups at once in your single day. Yes, you want to post in them for in one day. You want to post in 200 groups, but you're gonna select all of them at once and you begin posting in them. Facebook is gonna jail you. You're gonna spend 2 weeks when it's doing this thing. Facebook's gonna block you for 2 weeks when it doesn't accept you to post it in a group. So now, okay, let's do it a smarter way. Okay. So we're gonna select 20 groups. So we shall be posting in 20 bits. For example, I'm gonna post in 20 groups. When the task is done, I'm gonna highlight more 20 groups and I'm gonna post in them. So I'm gonna do it like that until I reach my 200 marks, and for the day I'm done. So let us begin now. So we're gonna highlight the 20. All right, our trick: hold the shift button and click on the drop the arrow button, which is pointing down southern direction. We're gonna go up to 20. Okay, here we go. So once we go there, we're gonna say start post. And click on start post. Okay, so something like this is gonna come. All right. uh Make sure if you have some if you've been posting, first click on spin messages to confuse the settings so that you can begin afresh. So select single message. Do not go to spin messages because you don't know what that means, and you don't go to run a message because you don't know what that means. Select single message and create new. So we're gonna call it a photo post. Okay, here we go. We're gonna call it a photo post. So something like this is gonna come. So this is a test. This is a test caption, and this is what basically shows up in a group plus the image that you post. Okay. So just a moment. Let me get my text that I'm supposed to post and the image. So I'm gonna show you what you are supposed to post, as in the text how it's gonna be organized plus the image how it's supposed to look. Okay. Just a moment. Here we go, guys. So now this is the kind of text that I use. So this is something I'm giving you a clue in the whole of this of Facebook automation marketing. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this text. So this is what I do post for my business, Easy1up. So it's only one key thing. It is only one key thing. You have to provide some text that is so brief and that is so attractive. Those are the only two things. Don't read a lot of bullshit that somebody's gonna get tired of reading, and they're gonna get back to you. Okay, I'm ready to help 10 more people retire early with their own internet business. Interested in $25 commissions, 100, 250, 500, 1,000. Easy daily payments. Comment I do. I will inbox you information. That is all. And then for the picture, it should be a real staunch payment proof which is clear. Okay, it could be a screenshot, but it must be clear and it shouldn't look fishy. It shouldn't look like it's hyping somebody, you understand? It should be something real. So this is a screenshot taken from an iPhone. So you should just get something which, not say that it's gonna be similar like this. Okay, I always take pictures. I always grab my laptop and I take a picture with my phone, a clear picture, and I use it. It's something that is showing reality and something which is gonna pull someone's attention and they're gonna get back to you like real quick. Okay? So then this is all. People are gonna come saying information, information. And once somebody comes in here, just tell them I just inboxed you and let us talk. And for sure you're gonna inbox the person and then you gotta talk. Okay, so let me copy this information. Remember where we were. Just a moment. We were gonna make our post. Okay, this is where we were. I think you recall this place. So text caption. So I'm gonna hold control, but for your case you'll be typing here because now I'm gonna paste this information. Okay, so you're gonna type like this. I'm ready to help 10 more people retire early with your own internet business. Interested? You can get something different from this because I'm already using this, but get something brief and something converting. You understand? And then come to the single image. So we're gonna select our image, wherever your picture is. Mine is in desk. Then I go to Easy1up. Oh, I press E and I look for Easy1up. I get it over here, and then I go to shots. Okay, when I go to shots, this is my picture. You're gonna first have to preview this picture to make sure it is the one. You shouldn't just put anything that you don't understand because you may make a mistake and the thing can go crazily posting this picture in each and every group that you selected. Alright, so it is the one. So I'm gonna double click on it and it's already in the images folder. Okay, for the speed messages, don't select anything, use don't select anything there, just press here. It must be no, must be no. So we're gonna save our work somewhere and we send our post. So save us. So this is where you're gonna save. You can come to desktop and create a new folder. Okay, and create my posts. Okay, so whenever you are resuming your work, like you came back another day and you want to make a post, this is what you'll be selecting and you just have to send it. So let me Easy1up add. Okay, let's create a nice name. We can save it. It is saved. Again, click on save, and then we're gonna send our message to those groups. Okay, so let us send. Error, cannot connect to account. Pre-check your account, delete account, and re-add the software. This is because my internet connection is off. Okay, so anybody else, you will face such a problem, but then how will you solve this? So it's good that it already showed up here, and I'm gonna show you how to solve it. So now it's because my internet connection went off and it cannot reach my account. Okay, so I'm gonna first switch on my router. I'm gonna come back and I start the post. Okay, just a moment. Go. I just fixed my Ethernet connection and it's back on, it's connected. So let's go back and try to do our post. So remember, I already highlighted them, so I'm gonna go back and start post. Remember, everything was saved, so let me try to send again. It's gonna say verifying account because now you can see it's begun posting because my internet connection was down. So then it's back, it's now doing its job. Okay. So when it begins posting, in case you are auto joining groups, okay, like for example, if you are auto joining groups like this way, please just stop this. Click on stop because Facebook will block you if you are doing two things at the same time. It'll just know that you're a robot and you are trying to do work illegally because they don't want this. Okay, so if you are doing this, please stop it and always do it alone, or maybe you can wait for it to get done so that you can begin your posts. Okay, and so that is all. That is the whole thing about this thing, and it's nothing big, and that is all. So let us see our post. Just a moment. Here we go. We are still waiting for it to do the post. Okay, we're gonna wait more. Here we go. So it's done posting. So now let us view this. Let's view this on profile. Let's view this profile on browser. We want to check out the post that we made. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go again. And money online. And so this is what it does, and it does it for you each and every time, and each and every group that you selected. So this is the simple. So anyone who comes across this ad, they just come down here and they click in. They just type A4 or I want to know what this is. They can inbox you already. You can see I got people in my inbox and they don't install. And what this what the whole thing is all about. So we'll get leads for your business and all that. Alright, so thanks. It's been good. I remember Brian Ashley. If you want questions, if you want to join under me on the Easy1up, I'm gonna put my link in the description below on YouTube. And make sure you subscribe on my channel on YouTube. And thank you so much. God bless you.